Hey guys, check out the Volferda E5 Capsule tiny house. It has to 7 square foot. There are 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Come on. Let's check out the drainage system that everyone's most concerned about it. The drainage for the water heater and air conditioner is connect here. There's a separate utility room for water and electricity. Sewage is under this. By the way, the glass of the house uses mirror glass. You can't see inside from outside, but you can see outside from inside, ensuring your privacy is protected. Plus, it's UV resistant. The entrance is secured with a password lock that can also be accessed with a swipe card. Here is a cozy bedroom, perfect for 2 or even your kids. Here is a bathroom with wet and dry area. It has a wash basin, a toilet and a mirror. This is a shower room. Moving on. Here is a big bedroom. This is electric curtain. There is a 1.8 meters king bed. Central air conditioner. Wow, there is a skylight and you can enjoy the stars with your lover. This model doesn't come with a balcony, but hey, if you want one, we can totally customize it for you. For more info, please contact me.